Have you ever wondered how pharmaceutical companies ensure that every tablet you take is consistent, effective, and safe? The secret lies in a critical process called tablet granulation. But did you know that choosing the wrong granulation method can lead to tablets that don't dissolve properly or even cause treatment failure? Stick around as I break it all down step by step, making this complex process super easy to understand. Tablet granulation is one of the most crucial steps in pharmaceutical manufacturing. It's the foundation for producing high-quality tablets that deliver the right dosage, dissolve correctly, and remain stable over time. While often overlooked, granulation determines whether a tablet formulation will be a success or a failure. In this video, we will explore what granulation is, what a tablet is, why granulation is necessary, the challenges manufacturers face, the different granulation methods, and real-world case studies demonstrating its impact on drug effectiveness and manufacturing efficiency. So, what is a tablet? A tablet is a solid dosage form containing medicinal substances along with excipients. It is designed to deliver a precise amount of active pharmaceutical ingredient, API, to the body in a controlled manner. Tablets are the most widely used form of medication due to their ease of administration, stability, and cost-effectiveness. What is granulation? Granulation is the process of transforming fine powder particles into larger, free-flowing, and uniform granules. This improves the flow properties, compressibility, and uniformity of the final dosage form. Granulation is a crucial step in pharmaceutical manufacturing, ensuring that every tablet maintains consistent quality and performance. Why is granulation necessary? Before we dive into the granulation process, let's first understand why it is essential. When making tablets, manufacturers often start with finely powdered ingredients, including APIs and excipients. However, working with fine powders can lead to several problems. Poor flowability. Fine powders can clump together and create bottlenecks in manufacturing machines. Segregation. Different particle sizes and densities can cause ingredient separation, leading to inconsistent dosages. Low compressibility. Powders may not form strong, compact tablets if they lack proper bonding. Granulation solves these problems by binding small powder particles into larger, uniform granules, improving flow, uniformity, and compressibility. Challenges in tablet formulation. Even with granulation, manufacturers face multiple challenges in tablet formulation, including tablet hardness and disintegration. If a tablet is too hard, it may not dissolve properly in the body, reducing drug absorption. If it's too soft, it may break apart before reaching the intended absorption site. Dissolution and bioavailability. The speed at which a drug dissolves impacts how quickly it enters the bloodstream. Granulation helps ensure consistent dissolution rates, avoiding too fast or too slow drug release. Dose uniformity. Every tablet must contain the same amount of active ingredient. Without granulation, fine powders may segregate, leading to variations in dosage. Excipient selection. Excipients like binders and disintegrants play a vital role in determining tablet performance. The wrong choice can affect stability, hardness, and dissolution. API sensitivity. Many active ingredients degrade when exposed to heat, moisture, or air. Granulation methods must be selected carefully to prevent loss of potency. Granulation methods. Explained. There are two main granulation techniques used in tablet manufacturing: wet granulation and dry granulation. Let's break them down step by step. Wet granulation is the most commonly used method and involves the following steps: weighing and mixing. Active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, and excipients are precisely weighed and blended to ensure uniformity. Binder addition. A liquid binder solution, like PVP, starch paste, or hydroxypropyl cellulose, is added to the powder blend. This forms a wet mass that binds the particles together. Granulation. The wet mass is passed through a granulator or extruder to form uniform granules. Drying. The granules are dried using fluid bed dryers or tray dryers to remove moisture and enhance stability. Sizing. The dried granules are milled to achieve the desired particle size distribution. Final mixing and compression. Lubricants, like magnesium stearate, are added before the granules are compressed into tablets. Examples of binders. Binders help hold the granules together and improve tablet strength. Common binders include polyvinyl pyrrolidone, PVP, starch paste, hydroxypropyl methylcellulose, HPMC, microcrystalline cellulose, MCC, gelatin. Advantages of wet granulation: provides strong, uniform granules with excellent flow properties, enhances drug dissolution and bioavailability, reduces powder segregation, ensuring uniform dose distribution. Dry granulation. Dry granulation is ideal for moisture-sensitive APIs and follows a different approach: weighing and mixing. The powder blend is prepared similarly to wet granulation. Compaction. Instead of using a liquid binder, the powder is compacted into slugs or ribbons using a roller compactor or slugging machine. Milling and sizing. The compacted material is milled into uniform granules. Final mixing and compression. Lubricants are added before the granules are pressed into tablets. Examples of disintegrants. Disintegrants help the tablet break apart in the body for proper drug release. Common disintegrants include sodium starch glycolate, Crospovidone, cross-camelose, sodium microcrystalline cellulose. Advantages of dry granulation: no need for heat or moisture, making it ideal for sensitive APIs. Faster and more cost-effective than wet granulation, requires fewer processing steps, reducing energy consumption. Let's look at two real-world examples that highlight the importance of choosing the right granulation method. Improved patient outcomes. A pharmaceutical company reformulated a chronic disease medication using wet granulation. The result? Better dissolution rates, improved bioavailability, and enhanced patient outcomes. Cost savings and efficiency. Another company switched from wet granulation to dry granulation, reducing production costs and processing time while maintaining product quality. Key considerations for granulation process optimization. Choosing the right granulation method involves several key considerations. Formulation type. Some APIs require wet granulation for better dissolution, while others work best with dry granulation. Manufacturing capabilities. Not all facilities have the equipment for both methods, so cost and practicality matter. Regulatory compliance. Tablets must meet pharmacopoeial standards for hardness, friability, and dissolution. Environmental impact. Dry granulation may be more eco-friendly by reducing solvent use and energy consumption. Tablet granulation isn't just a manufacturing step, it's the backbone of pharmaceutical success. By choosing the right granulation method, manufacturers can optimize drug performance, ensure patient safety, and improve production efficiency. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Pharma Health Insights for more deep dives into pharmaceutical manufacturing. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore another fascinating aspect of pharma technology.